No, but ice cream for ice cream.
Hey Princess Squad, it's T.
And Sprinkles.
Today we're going to be doing the Nano Tape
Emoji challenge.
What on earth is Nano Tape, you may ask?
It's been all over the internet and it's viral. If you guys like your own Nano kit,
Make sure you check out our website at shoppsiloveit.com to get your very own Nano Tape Bubbles Kit. Use the code PSILOVEYouTube for a discount. Alright, time to pick our emoji.
okay, I'll close my eyes with this one.
I got...
Ice cream.
And I got cheese. Let's get started using our Nano Tape from our kit.
First, I'm going to cut up 2 pieces of Nano Tape and put them together to make a bigger piece of tape. Then I'm going to peel off the protective film. Next, I'm going to put another piece of Nano Tape and make it like a triangle shape for the cheese. Here I'm using permanent marker to kind of hold up the sides of the cheese.
Now that we have the base of our cheese, I put it on the side, and now to make the actual cheese color filling, I'm going to make it out of slime. This one's from our shop at shoppsiloveit.com. It's our basic thick and glossy slime. I'm going to color it golden yellow. Our slime. Love the texture. And it's time to put some in a bowl. And color it yellow. And it's time to mix.
Time to cut to make my ice cream. I'm starting with 2 pieces of Nano Tape for the base. Peel off the film. Next, I'm going to make the outer shape of the ice cream.
And there you have it. Look at my cheese. It totally looks like Cheese Whiz. What do you guys think? I love the color. I think I did a good job. All right, let's fill it.
I'm adding this cheese-like slime to my cheese triangle.
Now we need more Nano Tape for the top. All right, time to cut out our cheese.
Heads up, this is a little bit tricky because the tape is a little bit thick and it's super sticky.
Here's our base for our ice cream. Now let's squeeze some Orbeez. So here we have our Orbeez. Now we're gonna get our syringe. This is oddly satisfying. Add some more Orbeez.
Ooh, some fell out. Oh well.
This. Now to add some sprinkles to our ice cream. Mix, mix, mix. Time to cover up the top of the ice cream with more Nano Tape. Time to cut.
Now it's time to draw in the circles on the cheese.
Just going to make them all different shape and sizes.
Next, I'm peeling off the protective film. Now I'm going to cut the popsicle stick in half and add it to my squishy. There you have it. I have my ice cream.
And I have my cheese. All right, Princess Squad, please let us know if you like my cheese better.
Or my orange ice cream.
Leave a comment below right now to vote. And make sure you follow us on our TikTok, on our Instagram at
PrincessSquad.Official.
And always remember to dream big
Have fun.
and be kind. Bye!